Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. And a few days ago, I actually was thinking to myself while I was doing some work on how I actually got started. And it got me thinking to the first day I started my first proper business. And when I say this, I mean this business that's bringing me cash flow, that's giving me recurring money, profit, making my bank account go up every single day, every single month. Till to this day, I'm still making money from this business model. And it got me thinking to when I first started years ago, how did I actually go about it? Because if you Google it now, you search it up on YouTube, one of the most searched terms is how to make money, and it's especially for teenagers. You know, I'm only 16 right now, and I feel like I've been given this opportunity that's amazing. I took action on it when I first saw this when I was 14 years old, and I do not look back at any time. And I'm so grateful that one, I actually took action, and two, I continue to push and I'm continuing to go and grow and scale. So look, the number one thing that I will always preach is to take action. If you have an idea or you want to do something, execute it as fast as possible. And by that, do it the same day you have the idea. You can launch your own Shopify dropshipping store, create, launch, and run your first advertisement within 24 hours. There is no excuse. And then the number one excuse would be like, if someone doesn't have time. There is no time. Everyone has time. You have to just be organized. Anyways, that's enough about that. In this video, I want to talk about how I literally started with $5 and I turned that into 5,000 now. When I say 5,000, it's a lot more than that, but I just feel like that's a more simple number and can show you guys how simple it is. It's really easy to actually reach that number in a month. So from $5 to $5,000 in 1 month at the age of 15 I was at the time. 14 was when I first started, but I didn't really know what I was doing at the time, and 2 months later I turned 15. So I really started doing it properly when I was 15 years old. And anyways, so for those who actually don't follow my channel and don't really know what I'm on about, I specialize in eBay dropshipping. I literally take a product from, not from AliExpress, not from China, from a local retailer. So for example, if you're in the US, you could have Home Depot, Walmart, Amazon. You're in Australia, you got Amazon, you've got Target, you've got a whole range of suppliers. Anyone who sells something is a supplier. So you're gonna take an item from there and you're gonna put it onto your eBay store. So I'll show you an example right now. So you got this item right here from Walmart, and you got this item here on eBay. Literally the same item, but they got two different sale prices. One is much higher than the other. The one that's higher is the one that you're selling on eBay, and you're gonna be taking home the profit in the middle. It's like a middleman. So for those who are familiar with Shopify dropshipping, it's the same, just on eBay, not Shopify, and you're not dealing with Chinese suppliers. So, first of all, what am I on about? Now, this is one of the best business models. Why? Because one, literally free to start. I started with $5 because I wanted to go aggressive. I wanted to push hard. And honestly, it probably wasn't the smartest idea, but again, it was a $5 investment. So I really didn't care at the time. What you can do is literally list the entire Walmart store, for example, and you'll just be getting sales and you're just going to fulfill the order. So it's a really simple business model. You know, a customer comes to eBay, they buy it from you, you fulfill it on the supplier store and ship it directly to the customer. And within, it was a month of August, and I started in around February. So if you do the mathematics, that's around like 5-6 months, if I'm not mistaken. It took me to hit 5K profit in a month. But I only started recording my profit in July. In July, I had about a 4K month, and August 5. I'm not sure previously if I had anything higher than that. I never really started recording profit. Number one thing as well, always keep track of your profits, not only your business profit, but your personal net worth every week, and just do it for the rest of your life, because one day you'll look back and you'll just see that exponential growth of your profit, and that's when you become a millionaire. You just look at it and you're amazed. Anyways, I'm talking about a lot of random crap. So, what is this business model? How do you get started? Look, I have a lot of videos about this whole topic, how to actually start, ways to find products, how to title your products, everything regarding this topic. So this is what I pretty much did around age 14 or 15 to start creating cash flow. And it's what I still do now. As I said, I have a lot of videos on my channel that literally goes into depth on every aspect of dropshipping. If you guys don't even know how it works, I have a video showing beginners. I am actually in the progress of releasing a 2 to 3 hour video. It's a huge long video going step by step of creating your eBay account to fulfilling your order. So you've already got your sale, you've already found your products, you're going to fulfill the order and you're going to take home the profit. I've taught, several students just personally, one by one, privately, and I've showed them how to do this. What I know is really, really amazing. And it's just, I want to teach you guys this, especially if you guys are young, especially if you guys are in places, United States, Australia, United Kingdom. This can be done in any eBay marketplace. If you're from USA, you can still sell in Australia. If you're from Australia, you can sell in America, you can sell in the UK, wherever. This is one of the best business models to start and get a quick sort of cash grab, make $10,000, $20,000 and then go and reinvest that into Shopify dropshipping or into Amazon FBA or into SMMA, whatever real long-term business. Because personally, I don't believe eBay dropshipping is a 10-year from now business. I don't think I'll be doing this 10 years from now. If I am, that's amazing, but it's not very long term. It's a nice way to get some money, especially if you're a teenager. Juggling a part-time job or a casual employment job and this at the same time will easily bring you, $1,000 a week minimum, which is amazing because right now, as a teenager, you just want to accumulate as much money as you can to either fund university or college for yourself or fund whatever you want. If you want a car, save up for a car, a house deposit, whatever you want. Money will always help you fund activities in your life. It will also allow you to just experience stuff that you wouldn't normally do. I know that I can literally do more stuff than anyone that I know my age. I can buy stuff that I want. I can go out and spend what I want. Now, again, I'm very smart with my purchases. I'm not gonna blow out, thousands of dollars on clothes or shoes or whatever. I'm very, very smart with what I purchase, and I actually try to limit my spending as much as possible and pretty much allow most of my income to only be spent on business purchases or just reinvesting it back into myself through education courses, whatever. So it's amazing because I was fulfilling orders the other day and I was just thinking, I started with $5 and now I've created a 6-figure profit, almost in the 7-figure in revenue. Projected to hopefully hit 7 figures this year, or because of coronavirus, it did impact sales a lot. But now it's starting to pick back up because it's restricting less. Hopefully by start of next year, first few months into next year, I will actually make this a 7-figure business that I started at the age of 14. And it amazes me. It's amazing. I think these are the opportunities that people are sort of missing. So if you are young, you're looking to start something, give it a shot because 1, you've got nothing to lose. 2, I'm not gonna say guaranteed profit, but I don't know anyone who's lost money on this because you can't lose money. You're purchasing the product after you get paid for the sale. So if I list something for $40 and it costs me $20, you're paying me $40. I'm gonna go spend $20. I pocket $20. I'm not spending $20. Originally, I'm not buying a domain. I'm not buying a Shopify store. I'm actually not doing any upfront costs. The $5 as well, for those who don't use eBay, you get a set amount of listings. So I can't list more than 40 in Australia without buying a store. So I spent $5 so I could buy a store, and that way I could list more than 40. Again, I created a store. I've actually done a video on this channel, $0 to $10,000, and I hit that in less than 2 weeks without having a store. So it can be done, $0 to $10,000. I can actually, and I've made a newer account. I've actually hit it in much less than a week. It can be done so easily. It just requires determination. And if you actually really want to create just a smart side hustle, eBay is the way to go, especially if you don't have much startup money. Anyways, look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of random and out of place, and I really didn't sort of have a structure for it, but it was just a thought that occurred to me the other day, and it was just amazing. I really wanted to share this with you guys, especially if you guys are young. I started at 14. I know you guys who are watching this, you're definitely probably older than 14. And if I could do it at 14, I don't know why you can't do it now. On any platform, it's one of the most easiest things ever, and there's thousands of videos on YouTube, on the internet, wherever, even on my channel. If you guys want to learn from me, I have on my channel teaching you guys this topic. So if you guys do like this video, you guys want more videos like this, you guys want me to actually release that 3-hour step-by-step video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys next time.